Your dad's pullout game really sucks. Least you could do is buy him some beef jerky. Your daddy raw dogged responsibility, and now you owe him a Father's Day gift. He created you in like 7 minutes. Show some gratitude. Your dad makes one impulsive decision in the 90s, and now here you are forgetting Father's Day. Your dad used to be cool. Then you happened. Your daddy traded freedom for family. Respect the sacrifice. Just one night changed your daddy's entire tax bracket. Your daddy risked it all for a little romance and ended up coaching soccer. Your daddy gambled for 8 seconds and lost 18 years.